Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Check it out. We got more drone drop boxes here from Drone Box Drop. Should be September and October boxes. So we're going to unbox these in front of the camera today. I have not seen what's in these yet, so this is going to be exciting for me as well. So let's go ahead and dig into these two boxes and see what we got. Okay, so we'll go ahead and unbox these one at a time. I believe this one here I got in first, so this should be the September one. So I'm going to go ahead and open this one up first, cut the seal, and see what we got in here. If you guys don't know what Drone Drops boxes are, by the way, these are subscription service boxes. You can also buy them individually if you wanted to. I think you get a better deal if you have a subscription. It's basically a monthly box. You don't know exactly what you're going to get, but if you're a drone racer, you are going to get stuff that is specific to drone racing fans. You're always going to need parts, propellers, all kinds of stuff if you're constantly racing drones. And these guys pretty much got you covered on tools you're going to need, swag. They got a hat, looks like in this one, propellers, flight controllers, motors, pretty much everything you need to build your own and maintain your own racing drone. So anyways, enough about that. Let's go ahead and get into this one. Right off the bat, we can see we got a hat in the background, but I'm going to take out these propellers first. And we have 3 sets. Drone Drop has been given 3 sets of propellers in pretty much every box now. And these are Popo Quick Swap HQ props. So they're high quality propellers, 5.1 by 3.1 by 3 bladed propellers. So really high quality propellers. They're gonna hold up in some crashing, and they give you 3 full sets, so that's great. You're always gonna need propellers with racing drones, especially if you're doing some risky stuff. Check this out. We have a memory card. Who does not need a bunch of memory cards? This is a Ultra Micro SD SanDisk, 16 gigabyte. So you're gonna get some pretty high speed capable video. This should be good enough for 4K in most cases. Let's see what else we got. We have some battery straps and a driver. It looks like an Allen driver. 2 quality HQ prop battery straps there. Awesome. And look at this driver. You're always going to need these kinds of tools when you're working on quads. It is feeling really good in the hand here. High quality there, black and machined aluminum. It's got a little grub screw to hold in the driver. It is 2mm size on the end there, so that's going to be a hex driver. Always need tools, and Drone Drop has been giving us some awesome tools. Here is a hat. What a nice looking hat, man. That's nice. So gray and black with red icon, and let's just pull this out a little bit. Brain FPV looks pretty good. Looks like a high quality hat. Really liking that hat. I'm going to be wearing this hat around. That's a pretty snazzy design. This hat itself is probably worth 25 bucks. The last actual piece of hardware is an FPV camera. This is interesting. Let's see what this is. It's a non-branded camera, so this may just be something simple. And what is this? It's feeling like a little cheap one. Yeah, so it's just kind of a generic FPV camera. But if you're, say, starting out or doing a build for maybe a mini quad, a very small quad, this might work for you. It is just like a very simple and generic FPV camera. But anyway, that's what we got in this one. And we also got 2 things of stickers. So we got a whole sheet of Black Sheep stickers there. Nice, always need stickers. And here is a sheet of Drone Drop and Super Tech stickers. You can see a flight controller there, some batteries, and the Drone Drop stickers. So cool. So again, for this one, stickers. I'm going to start putting stuff in the box. A little generic FPV camera. Might be able to use. It was a really light one, so you can probably use that on a very small 3-inch or below build. 2 battery straps, 3 HQ propellers, very high quality, high speed card here, a little micro SD card. Our hat, awesome hat, loving that hat. I'm going to be wearing that. I like the black and gray tone. It looks kind of cool with the red. And our little 2.0 hex driver. So that's an awesome package, and that's going to be, I believe that's the September box. I hope I'm correct on that. Now let's walk our way over to the October box. So we're just going to cut the seal here on the box, open this up. Let's put the September one to the side for a sec. It is the month of October right now, so it looks like they're giving us some orange things for Halloween. First thing on the top are stickers. So Drone Drop and Helio and Team Black Sheep, they're all together. So that's pretty cool. It's like a collaborated, and Super Tech. So it's like a collaborated little sticker sheet. Wow, what's this? These are battery grip pads. Okay, I know what these are, but this is a bunch of them. Wow, there is some weight to this package. We've got 1, 2, 3. These are really fat and thick gel pads. So you could actually cut these down, like if you don't need them to be this big. This is large. I mean, here's my hand. Look how big that is. It's much larger than a 1300 milliamp hour battery pack. So you could probably cut these in like 3s and have enough grip for 9 drones right here. Look at that. And that's some sticky stuff. If we just peel this off initially, I'm going to try to touch that. That is some sticky silicone stuff there, and it's sticky on both sides. So good stuff to have around if you're building or racing in general. Next thing in the box is a flight controller, AIO IMU-F flight controller. And here are the specs on it. 5 volt and 3 volt RX power, telemetry, OSD with LC filter, IMU-F coprocessor, gyro, smart audio, camera control, 2 amp or 3.2 burst regulator. Wow, so it looks like a pretty darn good flight controller. Let me just go ahead and pop this open just so you guys can get kind of a up close look at it here. Wow, that's a really nice looking one. We got our little rubber standoffs here, and here's the flight controller. I'm just gonna kind of hold it up to the camera so you guys can get a glimpse of it. I'm not gonna take it really out of this bag, but looks like we have all our solder tabs on the sides of these new ones. That thing looks pretty darn good, man. There's a micro USB for programming, and it's just a really compact and solid looking flight controller. Other stuff in the box, orange for October propellers. These are Dalprop Cyclone 5x51 propellers. Nice. So we get 3 sets of these 3-bladed propellers. You're always going to need these. A few more things in the box, and as far as tools go, Drone Drop is good at giving us some tools. Look at this. Team Black Sheep has their own soldering here. That's interesting. So a little coiled soldering container, and that'll probably get you through many, many builds. 1 millimeter diameter solder, and it's 18% flux. So always good to have these types of tools around the shop. Really awesome. And check this out, another driver. This is a Team Black Sheep, and this is a 2.5 millimeter. Was the other one a Team Black Sheep? I believe so. Yeah. So we got a 2.0 in the other box for September, and for October, this, check it out, is a 2.5. So we're adding to our line of tools constantly. So this is going to be a larger driver for those hex screws on your builds. Awesome. Can't ever have enough tools when you're working on your own stuff. One battery strap from Ethics. Looks like a very high quality one. It's got a plastic ring on the top there. And just a couple of more stickers in here, and this is it. Fly Helio, and also another Helio. Solder me, baby. Great. So that's just like a little flight controller, animated flight controller. So pretty cool. Again, stickers. These two and this combination sticker set, pretty awesome. That 2.5 driver tool, solder here, or solder, whatever country you're in. In the US, we call it solder. If you're in the UK, might be calling it solder, pronouncing the L. Battery strap. 3 sets of awesome 3-bladed Cyclone propellers in the spirit for Halloween because they're orange. You got that awesome flight controller, that spring AIO flight controller. That thing is going to be really nice. Definitely worth the package right here with just the flight controller. And then we got those 3 battery anti-slip pads. These things you can use for a lot of different things actually. Since it is a really soft silicone and it's really sticky and it's kind of like a gel, you can use these for a lot of different things in the hobby. Anyway guys, that's it for both boxes. That was for September and October, and I hope you enjoyed that. Lots of good stuff in here. Now it looks like they're honing it down, and you get a few boxes and you can almost make an entire build. Whenever they give motors, they give you 4 motors. They're giving us quad frames, they're giving us flight controllers, propellers, hardware to put stuff together. Once in a while you'll get hats, you'll get bags, all kinds of cool stuff. It's really cool to have all this variety of stuff if you're into drone racing. Lots more to come. And by the way, quick note, I'm doing my 100K giveaway, my 100,000 subscriber giveaway really soon here, and Cameron from Drone Drop has offered to throw in 3 boxes in that giveaway amongst 50 plus other items from other companies. We're actually going to have over $3,000 worth of drones and RC gear in general, and that's going to be 50 plus items. So Cameron, thank you very much for offering to give us 3 of these boxes in that giveaway, and he also said that he's going to be stuffing them with extra stuff. So you're not only getting the regular 3 boxes with regular stuff in them, he's throwing in like an added flight controller to even double the price of each of those boxes. So check out, that giveaway is coming up very, very soon. Just want to give back to all you guys that have bumped us up to 100,000 subscribers. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.